My name is Homero Valdez and I'm the Production Supervisor. Typical day is just coming in and knowing that the orders that we have running the machines are in schedule. My dad actually, he was the one that would show me some drills that were made at his company. So eventually I started asking my dad if I could start going to work with him on Saturdays. So he would take me to work on Saturdays and I saw it and it was amazing. I'm like, man, this is amazing. So I always wonder how they made those drills. Those drills that were made, now I make them. Great production supervisor, in my opinion, would be someone who has great leadership, showing respect to your employees, showing that you care, showing that you will be there with them, and have a knowledge of understanding the machines too as well. No matter what, always go a little bit above and beyond, do your best, go for it, aim for it. Because if you take the initiative, you're always going to learn something new.